Hi everyone, this is Patrick with the Red Arc team. Now, I've got some very exciting news to share with you today, and that is a brand new feature that we've just released, conditional templates. Now, I know that a lot of you have been asking for this, and I'm confident that this new premium feature will be an absolute game changer for some of you organizations out there. So now that we know what we're talking about, let's get into exactly how we can accomplish this. So here in the template type drop down, we have a new template type here, conditional. Along with constituent and gift, we have conditional. So I'm going to select conditional. I'll give it a name. Mine is going to be gift acknowledgments. Now here you've got two different types for your conditional. This might be a little bit confusing at first, but it essentially just correlates to what type of list you're going to be using. So if I'm using a constituent list, I'm going to use a constituent type here. And if I'm using a gift list, I'm going to use a gift type here. Now, I'm going to set a default template, which is basically going to be selected if none of the conditions pass that you set. Okay, so I can set my conditions based on a few fields here for gifts. So I'm just going to go ahead and do gift amount, let's say greater than or equal to 100. And the template that we use for that condition is thank you letter for large gifts. Let's do that. That sounds great. Okay, so now I can hit Save Template. And here on the next page, I'll show you in the Bulk Letters tab. If I click Add, and I choose Gift List, I choose my list itself. Here in the Document Template section, I can choose my new conditional template. And it'll always say conditional in front of it, so you're never confused which ones are conditional and which ones are not. So I'll choose my new template and I'll click create. Now I've already run all the logic so that we don't have to wait for it. And what it does is it goes through each of the items in your list and it'll check the gift amount or whatever conditions that you have set up. It'll check that value with the condition. So my condition was use the thank you letter for larger gifts if the gift amount is over 100, greater than or equal to 100. And we can see that we have one gift here that is greater than or equal to 100, and it has that new template. How cool is that? And all of the other ones get the default template, which is exactly what I wanted to happen. So let's just go in and let's take a look at one of these templates to make sure that it is actually different. You can see here I've got my thank you for your donation template for Richie Regular. Now I'm going to go into this one for Narajus, and you'll see that it's a completely different template. Thank you for your donation VIP. Look how cool that is, $142. So now that we know how to create conditional templates, you're now able to create conditional bulk letter runs, which is, I know it's going to be an absolutely key feature for some of you out there. And we're so excited to release this new feature to you. We know that it's going to be able to help you work easier and smarter. Thanks.